So we're camping here. As you can see, there's a deer right there in the forest. Right there is the deer. Okay, let me try to get closer to it. There's the deer. Hi there, little guy. Hi. There's a little deer. There's a little deer.